Shenzhen Portable Electronic Technology Company Limited is specialized in research, design, production, and marketing outdoor solar power products with strong R&D ability to develop new solar application products for more than 10 years. We were founded in 2008, located in the new high-tech industrial park of Longhua District. We established wholly owned subsidiary in Dongguan in 2017, which mainly produces photovoltaic modules, covered around 10,000 square meters plant and 158 employees. Our company monthly capacity is 100,000 pieces, and output reaches 10 million. We have more than 20 automated production lines and introduced the newest production line since 2010. Now the company owns SMT patch processing machine, solar automatic series welding machine, solar power test machine, solar laser cutting machine, automatic laminating machine, EL testing machine. Our products are exported to Europe, America, Africa, and other Asian countries with safety certificate. The company attaches great importance to product quality, which have passed ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 in 2017. All our products are compliant with CE, RoHS, FCC regulations. Our company won the National High-Tech Enterprise and has won 10 national invention patents, over 50 national utility patents, and software copyright. We carry out enterprise culture of integrity, innovation, universities, pioneering, the spirit of one earth, one home. Solar change the future is our permanent pursuit. Our practical attitude and accountability make our team working more efficient and more competitive.